So I've got my Bluetooth CD player. It's got a real retro look to it. You can see here we've got the wood grain look to it, and also on the front we've got actually two speakers behind here. We've got a nice little lid, several controls right here. We'll get to that in just a moment. I want to show you the back of this. These are our inputs. On the back side we do have our power. This is where we're going to go and charge it up, and you can go ahead and put music on here several different ways. You can use a USB-A stick. We've got an auxiliary input, and we also have headphones, and then also optical cable too. It does come with an auxiliary cord. This is our power cable, and also a power adapter. When you do turn it on the back, it has voice prompts.
CD mode.
We would just put our CD right here. This is actually a switch, so we push that over there. It automatically starts coming on. This button right here is actually our mode button and our volume control. So you can see here we've got some volume right now that it's playing. Now this is a multi-function button here. When you press it, it'll give you voice prompts.
USB mode.
USB.
AUX in mode.
We have auxiliary.
Receiver mode.
And it also has a radio. Now the radio is FM only. And of course we've got our volume up here. You can see here right now it's at 101.7. You can advance the radio actually through here. And then this will give you your presets. You can go ahead and set up several channels on here for all your presets. Now this does have up to 19 hours of playtime in Bluetooth and 9 hours in CD. It also has a sleep mode. It allows you to go ahead and set it preset anywhere between 30 and 90 minutes. Also on the remote control, it does have an EQ. So when you press this, you can see here, this is our display. What it's going to let you know is you can go ahead and change anywhere from classic, rock, pop, jazz, or even bass boost to go ahead and change the way the sound is. But I really love the way it looks. It's pretty cool. It's really compact too. You can play your CDs that you had sitting around for a while, or just play it through Bluetooth. Works fantastic. And then while it's playing, just go ahead and close the lid and listen to your music.